So the next part is I want this red distress.png to be the color and texture of the word apocalypse. Let's take that and drag that down here onto the timeline, and then take that layer that's over here and drag it underneath the letters. Click the drop-down arrow, and then click on the drop-down arrow next to transform. Click on the scale number and click and drag it until it's as big as the word apocalypse. Let's close that. And on that red layer where it says track matte, it's going to say no matte. Click on apocalypse. That's this layer right here. And watch what happens. So now the bottom layer is inside of the top layer. We can take our time indicator and drag it to the end here so we can cut the red distress.png. Now, to get exactly to the end of that, if it's not snapping to the end, press the Shift key and then try to, and there you go, it snaps. So the red distress.png is selected now. Actually, they're both selected. Do an edit split layer, and that will cut both of those layers. Apocalypse 2 and red distress.png are both selected. We know this because these are highlighted. If you select anything over here, it highlights the area. If you press Command, you can select multiple layers and then press Delete. Let's save this so far. File, Save As, apocalypse.aep in the title folder on the desktop. Press Save. If we go to our folder, we will see the apocalypse.aep file. All right, let's take the time indicator to the beginning. Next thing I want to do is I want the word to get bigger. Let's select both of these layers by doing a click here and dragging to select both. Right click on them and then click on Pre-compose. You can write apocalypse here and then click on OK. That merged both of those layers into one. You'll see that our cut is gone now. So let's go to the 4-second mark and do a edit split layer. And then the highlighted one, let's press delete. Let's go back to the beginning of the timeline. Click on the drop down for apocalypse. Click on the drop down for transform. And for the scale, let's click on the stopwatch at 100% right now. Let's drag the timeline and press the Shift key at the end to snap to. And then let's bring the number here 100 to 120 and press return. So now our animation will look like this. It looks cool when it zooms closer to the viewer, really slow. Let's close that up. Command S to save. This lesson will continue in the next video.